Hello, dito kami guys. Ito Sadiko. Oh, itong Sadiko. Hello. Salam.
Hello.
How are you? Oh, itong may, ano ko, kaibigan ko na Pakistani. Oh. You like ice cream?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Your country name?
La, I'm the country Philippines. You eat ice cream?
My best Philippines.
I know about Philippines.
I
The
love
best
Philippines.
Number one Philippines, Pakistan.
Number one, Mia
Latin.
Mia.
Ah.
Koyas nabar.
Philippines number one.
Number one.
All Filipino. Check the Filipino there.
Yes,
So
yes,
people.
yes.
Mo ni kong best friend ako, contractor ni. Oo.
This love Philippines. Good.
Go daw. Then mo. Where project when before your project where? Sania finish.
No.
How many building finish before now? Maybe 3 year your work there. Maybe 3 year and 4 year. You outside work.
I am go to.
Maybe you go Pakistan.
I am go to Pakistan 3 months.
3 months. And then
After
come back.
3 months return.
You come back here.
I come back Saudi.
You have a family.
No, my family Pakistan.
Family. I have a married.
Yeah.
Children.
Yes.
How many children?
Why? One.
One children.
One children.
One wife.
One wife, one child.
You too much money. Your contract building. How many of every day? Tapos bandit too much people there.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
This one ada Sadik. Assalamualaikum Sadik Bay. Ada Kabir. Yung mga kaibigan ko, mga dating kasamahan ko, mga idol. Ito lang. You know, I remember you talk about for work there. Wilder.
Welder.
What? Raji sir, cup maker. This your friend?
Nam Hamadi. Luman na natin number Luman. Luman.
Yes.
Luman number. I need work. Too much people there. Hindi, Bengali, Nepal.